Yes, my mother called me and she was not happy about the whole situation. This is actually how many times she has called me, but this particular call that she called, she wasn't sounding good. And she emphasized on this particular issue. So, Alisa, your name came up. Dr. Fortunate, your name came up, and other ones that she didn't remember, but she said, including others that she doesn't know. Bikono, ceasefire. I love you guys, and you guys has been there for me, and I cannot, say that you guys have wronged me in any way or other ways. Because as it stands now, people, let there be peace. Please, I want you to understand where I'm coming from, and I want each and every one of you to understand. Please, if you and the man of God, Callistus, your name came up, Biko. I'm not saying this to hurt anyone, but I just want to put it out there. I just want peace to reign, because I would like you guys to cease fire from attacking Maryam Justice. Because cease the end of fire. My mom spoke to me to an extent, I started shedding tears. Because I don't want you guys to attack Maryam Justice on my behalf anymore. Because I just want this thing to be on a neutral ground, because I wouldn't like you guys. So whoever that is attacking Maryam Justice out there, I have no business with that, and I did not send anyone to attack Maryam Justice, because I wouldn't like you guys to attack Maryam Justice on my behalf. I did not send anyone, because let there be peace. So Maryam Justice, let me repeat it again. As you said, you are forgiving me, and I've also forgiven you. You want to go? It went home. Any grudges that be against you, After my mother finished talking to me, I was like, no. I just have to put it out there. And when home, any grudges against you, and I not intend of doing this. I got to move on. Look at how fresh I'm looking. Look at how peaceful and how relaxed I am. When I was looking like I don't even have nobody that cares about me. But all this while, I have chosen peace. I have chosen peace of mind. So because anyone who no grudges against you, like I said, you're a sister, and you remain a sister. Like you said, it remote getting them. So you can see, it's quite unfortunate that we found ourselves in this kind of confined and toxic, situation. But at this point, I just want to put it out there, because if you're standing defending me, attacking Maryam Justice, please, let's cease fire, beg. But if you guys continue, I have nothing to do with it. Anybody that continue in this kind of attacking now, let's see anything you may get. But for me, please, for peace to reign. Thank you for understanding me. Today is my birthday. Use this opportunity to wish me happy birthday. Let there be love, peace. I just want to live a new life. I just want to live a new life and move on with my life. All those toxic lifestyle, all those things, I'll put them behind me. If you like, talk from morning to night. You are not even talking to me. I am moving on, and I have moved on, So, because I just want to put it out there so people will know that I have nothing to do with anybody attacking Maryam Justice. Biko. Let there be peace on my birthday. Biko no jinunka, wishing them happy birthday. Biko no. Thank you so very much, and I wish everybody success, good things. Let next year bring no meaning and no leave in our lives. Thank you, and remain blessed. Bye. Maryam Justice, like I said, I have no grudges against you. Like you said, you will not call my name, and I will not call your name. That you have forgiven me, and I have forgiven you as well. that there is nothing like please don't have this mindset that I will come back to US, then I'll start bullying you. Because when my mother said that, I said no. Those were when things were heating up, when things were furious and everybody were angry. Right now, actually time is the best judgment. Time have really proven otherwise. So my dear sister, as you called me, and I will repeat, I will reciprocate, you are also my sister. My mother spoke to me and she already told me the things that we had discussed, and I was like, okay, no problem. I don't know
this video, share button, sharing this video. First of all, happy birthday to my sister, Okaresia Nwanye, nnukwu nwanye, agbala ka ibe ye, nwanye bu amu, Okaresia Pro Max. Happy birthday to you. I wish you many more successes, more life. I wish you everything good you can ever wish yourself, because I know you are a sweet soul. I wish you everything. The world recognizes you. And I pray that God will continue to bless and strengthen you as you turn another year. I wish you all the best, my sister. Now, in regard to video, Okaresia Nwanye, I made it very clear at first that my interest in all this matter will Ogechi, my sister, because Namu sense a form of humiliation, intimidation, and the injustice towards her. And I felt I should lend her my voice. I felt I should lend her my strength. And that was what I did. And for one day, I can never regret ever doing that. I made it clear at first that direction Ogechi Tiri, that is where I stand. If Ogechi says I'm going, I support her. That is it, because I have analyzed everything. I have seen it all. I have seen, even if you say she's wrong, what of the people who are accusing her? Are they innocent? So I studied everything critically, and I said it repeatedly, even the time on Ubo. I said, now where Ogechi stand is where I will stand. That Ogechi's decision is what I will always support. And that is exactly how it is. So now Ogechi is saying ceasefire. Ogechi is saying she is, all this and all that. I am appealing to everybody involved in this matter to respect what Okaresia Nwanye has said. Remember, we all did it for her. Remember, we all turned up for her. Remember, our solidarity will be because of her. And if the reason why we are doing it is because of her, I think we should also follow her direction. So I am appealing to everybody, personally for me, all those people, especially Maryam Justice. And when I'm anything personal with her, I've never had any encounter with her. My interest in that matter, Ogechi, my sister, and the one I most study child, if any member, wherefore Ogechi shall all through. I have a way Ogechi say a pankata. I'm Ogechi pankata. I need discuss about this, and that don't happen now. As little as I am, now Oge, now that many times. In fact, I don't think no way now. Even when Ogechi meho. Even no reason that thing, she will not say no to me. Even though all make that thing, she will not have the mind to say, as you go, no, I will not do that. And it means a lot to me. So, I analyze shall be very name, and I'm afraid be very nice, and that is why in USA she needs strength, she needs support, she needs solidarity, and we gave it to her, and we should be happy that we did. So now that Oge is saying, let us cease fire, I am appealing to everybody to do what? To cease fire. And what I go, if why we did it is for Ogechi, then I think if she says enough is enough, then let enough be more than enough. Except if maybe you have another person or something. But I am saying if it is for Ogechi, because for me it is for Oge. And if my sister is okay, if my sister is happy and says it's enough, then I think for me it is more than enough. Oge, my sister, I love you so much. No doubt. I love you so much. I love you to the moon. You are always the best. No matter what. You are always the best. My happiness is that, like a strong lady that you are, you fought till the last. You fought to the, you did not break down. That strength and that smile and all those periods, that thing there means a lot to me. So my happiness and joy is that you were strong. I don't care to know however you people gone to this video email. I don't care. Trust me when I say I don't care. It is your fight, and however you choose to fight it is your decision. And what should I do? Is to support you, provided that you are happy. So I wish you all the best. Now, I am appealing to everybody though involved in this. If the reason why you are in this is because of Ogechi, if Ogechi is the priority why you are in this fight, I appeal to you to cease fire. Listen to what she said. We all did it for Oge, and we have to respect what Oge has said. Oge nnem okarisia nwanye. Okarisia nwanye. Can you show that I can marry you that our birthday? Okarisia nwanye. Okay, ma, I will call you. Ma call na phone. Can marry you can marry you that our birthday. If I sure can marry you, is what I'm going to do for you, because you deserve the best. Remember that Ezugo loves you. Share this video. Okarisia nwanye. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best.